Welcome, Miss C's learners. We're going to start our blog assignments next week, and I'd like to give you a little rundown on how this website works. So this is called Edublog, and let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to add a title. Always have to have a title. So I'm going to call mine What's, if I could spell correctly or type, What's for Lunch? Okay, then you just click where it says start writing or typing to choose a block. So we're going to start with the text, and we're going to say, hello, friends, let's start a blog. Now this is where you would type the body of what your blog is talking about. You have different options at the top. If you want to bold or center it, that's where you would go. Make sure to highlight it to get it to change after you're typing. There's color settings over here on the right. You can change the color if you'd like. There's advanced settings, but that's not really anything worth talking about. Okay, and then next, so if you're done writing with the main body part, you can hit enter. And then to the right here, see this little plus sign? You're going to click the plus sign and say I want to add an image. I'm going to click image. They don't have, it doesn't appear to have stock photos, so you either have to upload them from your computer or you have to download them from Google. So I'm going to, since I don't have anything on my media library yet, I'm going to click insert from URL, and I'm going to copy and paste the picture I would like to add, and then just hit enter, and it pops it up for you. And you can see that I've added my picture, and you can write a little caption at the bottom, and it says looks yummy. And then I'm going to hit enter again. And then if you just want to add more blocks, you can add videos here. You can choose the way you want it to lay out with columns and formatting. And then when you're getting close to done, or if you're getting close to done, you can hit preview. And the preview will take you to what it's going to look like on your blog page. So this looks pretty good to me. And so then you have to click edit again, and it'll take you back to the page that you were working on. And then you're gonna, if it's all complete and everybody's edited it and I've reviewed it, go ahead and click publish. And it says, are you ready to publish? Double check your settings before publishing. And you click publish immediately, and then you can choose to publish it later. And then we're going to say publish, and that should be it. Page published. And you can go down to where it says view page. And then it's there for all your friends and me to see it. Thank you. Bye.